Hey guys, it is me, Kaylee. Today we're going to be fixing one of my slimes. We're going to, this week, I think, the whole week, Monday through Friday. I'm not do weekends, maybe not. We're gonna be fixing slimes and do a lot of slime stuff. And maybe a tour of my desk. I'm not really finished with it still, but yeah. So yeah, let's fix this slime. Okay guys, so I'm back. If you're wondering what slime I'm going to fix, here it is. Hold on, I'm just gonna show a little bit of it. Oh, y'all saw it already, didn't y'all? Okay, this is my Mentos slime. It's called Mentos now, mints, but spring mints, sugar-free mints, they're mints, okay? But this is a slime, if you can tell. So this is a slime. Things that is bad about the slime. Okay, that's really cool. Never mind. Okay, so things that are bad about the slime. It is tough. It's hard to get out of the container, but we're gonna keep the container for sure. There's like 3 charms in it. Maybe more. There's dirty. It gets hard at the top, so we're gonna take that off. So yeah, okay, so it's hard at the top, literally hard. It's still squishy, but ew, it's just disgusting. Look. Okay, look. 1 charm. 2 charms. 3 charms. Look, it's literally so hard to get out. I don't need a. It's also like tough but sticky. That's one thing that I want to fix. There's dried slime on this side. Oh, this one is just not a good slime. I always get stuck. I want to fix that some way. I use a stick because the slime is a little bit sticky, so it's going to be a lot easier to just get it out, probably, hopefully. I'm hoping. There, yeah, that's a lot easier. Here it is. It's like sticky. I don't know if y'all can see that leftover stuff on it, but that shiny stuff is from this slime. It's like dirt in it. No, that's sand. Never mind if that was dirt, but it's sticky. So it's like tough but sticky. Okay, so. This is like the hard part up there, but like down here it's like not bad. This is the hard part, like not really hard, but like it's hard definitely. Like you see that it rips a lot, it's hard right there. We're just gonna throw this way in the trash can. Sorry if it's really hard to hear me because I'm up here. I was just getting stuff. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add like glitter to this maybe. So first we gotta fix it up with the basics. Only 1 charm. I think the crown's like a pretty good charm. So we're gonna do the crown. No, this. So it's like it blasts. No, never mind. We're just gonna do the crown because it just makes all sense. Then we're gonna put these little charms there. So put them back. I don't even know if I added so much charm. Literally, why did I? I think I might put this in a bowl. Where is the bowl? Here it is. Not a bowl. I got this rock at, I forgot what it's called, but I think it's really cool. There's a lot of mica in it. Let me find that one really. Right there, there's so much mica. No, but right there it's really, really shiny. I don't know if y'all can see also. No, but it's a lot of mica. Mica everywhere on with this. I just really think that's cool. Or I think it's called mica. It has like a word at the beginning. I think this is like a really glossy slime, and if you know me, glossy slime is the best. Like yes, thank you. Okay, this is how I test glossy slimes. What? Don't work. So what I usually do is I hold it up like this with the flashlight, and I hold it up, and if I can see through it, it's thick. If I can't, then it's like thin. You would see it through it anyway, but if there's a lot of light, never mind. It's just hard. It's hard. Okay, so I'm gonna get the glitter. Okay guys, so I just got a pencil sharpener, and I literally love this pencil sharpener so much. Whenever in second grade, no, third grade I think. Yeah, 'cause second grade mine was like, couldn't see through it, but I love this like so much. Literally my favorite thing ever. I had like an eraser and I always erased with it. But yeah, I got this at Walmart. It's really nice, it's easy. It's something you can buy at like cheap store like Walmart. Target. I know Target. Some people say that's not cheap. I know. I don't go to Target. I got that from Walmart. So I really don't have a lot of slime supplies right now. So I'm like low on everything. So basically, I have this card. You can buy these cards at Dollar Tree, Walmart, somewhere around there. The glitter is really easy to get off. And just use that glitter. Just let me see. I don't know if you can see it. There's definitely glitter in there. But don't judge me, please, because I know that's just weird to do. But hey, it works. So it's really cute. So I think I'm gonna make it a little more jiggly, maybe. But I don't know. It's wet in this bowl. I don't know if that's like accurate or what. So. It's activator, like what it did to my slime. Made it literally so rippy. Basically everything I need to buy, like foam beads, instant snow, lots of other stuff. I just need to buy it. Oh, is that blood? Oh, I thought it was blood. Smell it. But I think it's like basically fixed. That Tyler really helped a lot. I have no shaving cream. We're gonna add some sand because I love sand in my slime. Sorry if you heard that being. So I keep mixing this little cross. What I do, I just pour sand into the lid, like as much as it can most of the time, but it's really not that full right now. So. Added that all. See, it's empty. Just put the lid back on. Think I might add. I don't know. Get in there. Sorry, y'all. This is taking me forever. All I have added is sand and activator. We're already at 8 minutes. Like, what the heck, y'all? Why is this taking me forever? Like. Ugh. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add foam bead. There's a foam bead. Should I add a foam bead? I really don't know. No, we're not gonna add foam bead, but we are going to get crayons. I'm like, why do you have crayons? But there's crayons. Purple. I don't know why, it don't matter what color. White. We're actually going to use white. I was about to say silver and white, but purple and white. Okay, so this will take me a minute to peel them, so let me do it. Let me go peel these real quick. Okay, guys, so let me just move the cup a little bit. Sorry. Okay, yes, the cup. I added some hot water. Not hot, but like warm. Stick your crayon in there. I have to kind of leave mine because I haven't filled up that much. You can see it's like starting to get all weird, but let it do its business. So I let it sit in there for like 2 seconds. I can't peel it, so don't peel it yet. Flip a zoo. Sorry. Don't mind me weird accent. Let me go get an napkin. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully it's almost done peeling, or hopefully I got it hot enough. Hoping I got it hot enough. It's cold. Oh, no, it's not. So the hotter it is, the faster it'll get unpeeled, but the colder it is, or like less hot it is, the longer it takes. So let me go get heated up again, and y'all can watch the cute cat. So adore it, please. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So I was just literally walking. As you can see, there's like so much bubbles. I was just walking, and it literally just did this. So what you need to do, you can use scissors on it, or like tweezers. I'm gonna use scissors because that's like literally all I have. Just you don't really need a crayon. Just get this, throw it away, or whatever you want to do with it. But I'm throwing it away. Get your crayon very softly. This is not good to use. The scissors right there. I'm just gonna get a paper towel and fold it in half, or a napkin. Whatever you have is fine. And I'm just gonna set it over here. Move the slime out of the way. And set the slime on here so it gets glitter. Okay, so safely and carefully get the crayon. This is not good. This is not turning out how I wanted it to. Can you do this really fast? Because look what happened to mine. Also, you better wipe off the scissors before your parents find out what you did to them. For real, like not lying. Crust all over them. Mine aren't really crusty, but mine are definitely crusty. So I don't know if that down there. That is hot. I forgot to. My battery's too low. Pop you in there. Hurry. Sorry, I know it's like horrible lighting, but I think y'all can deal with it. So we're good people. It's like back to square one, literally. What the heck? You're not even hot no more. That is hot. I don't know why I said it's not hot. It is literally so hot. But I'm literally back at square one. Nothing's happening again. Let me go get hotter water. Y'all can enjoy the slimed cat. Enjoy it while it lasts. That was sorry, that was like really weird, but yeah. So this crayon is deforming. No, follow me, please. So it's deformed. Let me just get the. Whoa, this one came out a lot easier. Now you can just peel it. was so much cleaner than the other one. Let me show you my first attempt. First attempt, messy cup, like destroyed. Second attempt, clean cup. Like literally, I have no idea how it happened, but it did. So it's beautiful. So good. I'm just gonna sit on the other side. Get the slime, and it's glitter. I don't know if y'all see the glitter, but there's definitely glitter. What you want to do, you can like use scissors. I'm gonna use scissors, but be very careful with this. Whenever you do it, peel it. This is the optional part. Well, if you just went through all of that cars as to just do this. I mean, really should do it. That's the only reason we did the crown and stuff. Don't matter which side you use first. I usually use the top first though. That's just what I use. Going back and forth is a lot easier. Can I even see what I'm doing? No, I couldn't. But the camera is about to die. The light on it went out, so that means it's 15 or lower. 15 lower. However, it's low. We're not going to mix none of it in yet because we want to save it because it's so beautiful. Oh, this was still like bad. I'm not going to do this on the camera. Or, gosh, tell me if you want me to post more videos. I really haven't been posting like no videos, so tell me if you want me. Never mind. But tell me if you want me to post more videos because I know that I like really post. Okay, I'm done with the purple. I know the purple was like really quick because this video is already 17 minutes and that's pretty long. So we're just gonna take up the rich ones here. Get up all the purple. You probably can't even see, but there's purple. There's the purple. Purple, can see. Add all the white. Crunchy, 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 crunchy white. This is very fun. Here's the final slime after I add lotion. So I'm gonna use this Bath and Body Works. So 1,000 wishes. That was a lot of lotion. So it's a little. Never mind. I guess I lied to y'all. Sorry for lying to my fans and people watching this. I know some people who watch me are not fans of mine, like who follow me, my subscribers. Like, I'm not subscribed to my favorite YouTuber because I have to sign into my account on my computer. I'm not signed in yet. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Because it's a new computer. It's my favorite YouTuber. Oldie Shadow Lady. I also love to watch the Norse Nuts, if you know who those people are. So yeah, I mostly watch the Norse Nuts, but really, I don't really mostly watch the Norse Nuts. I mostly watch Oldie Shadow Lady and the Norse Nuts. It's like tied. I'm gonna get the Norse Nuts merch. Does Oldie Shadow Lady even have merch? I really don't know, but you see Final Slime. I really love it. It's my brand new favorite slime, I think. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, I guess give it a thumbs down. But bye, see y'all next time.